Hey guys, so today we're going to be working on setting up an email list, so for newsletters and stuff. And we're going to be using KIT because this is my first time setting up a newsletter and KIT offers a good free plan. So I've already gotten started on this before I started recording, but basically I just created an account which just needs your email and your first name and stuff. And here I'll show you what to do as we go. So after you create your account, you'll land on this page. And by the way, this is my first time setting this up as well, so we're going to go through this together. So we're going to click on start adding subscribers. And I don't really have any subscribers to begin with. I'm just creating a brand new email list for the first time. So I'm going to choose I'm starting my list from scratch. And then we're just going to click on create your landing page. So I've already seen this, I went through this already, and there's a few templates here, but this is the one I like. So I'm just going to choose this one. You can also preview them and it will show you what they look like. So I'll just click on that first. And when you're previewing them, you can just click on different ones and look at what they look like. But this is the one I've decided on. So yeah, I'm just going to click choose that. And I'm going to get rid of this Instagram word because most of my subscribers, I guess, are gonna come from YouTube. And I'm just gonna add my name here. And then let's change this image. So I've already uploaded an image, but if you don't have one, you might want to make a logo or something. But if you're doing this for a brand or a business that already exists, I'm sure you already have a logo. And then we just want to change this text. Now I've already asked ChatGPT to write me something, so this is what I'm going to put there. But yeah, I guess you can just do the same. So this is my description kind of for the landing page. And now we just want to fix things up here, so I'm going to change these links because I only have a YouTube link for now. And I just want to add a few more fields here, one for first name and then one for interests, and I'll show you why I want to add those interests in a second. So we just click the plus button there and we want to use a custom field, and they already give us the first name custom field here, so let's just click on that. And you can make this required, but the main purpose of an email list is just to get the email address. We don't want someone that would have joined to not join just because they don't want to fill out their name. So we're not gonna click required here. And yeah, this looks good. Let's add another field, and we're going to change this to tag, and we're going to leave this as drop down, and we're going to add the label interest. So what we want to do here is capture each person based on their interest. So for example, here we want to add some tags like business, and by the way, you can just type out these tags. The reason why they're showing in my list is because I've typed them out before. So we want to add programming and then find new products. So the stuff you choose here in tag options is what's going to show in this drop down. And then these labels here are how you're gonna organize them, like when you're choosing which group to send emails to. So I've just left it as business, programming, and products. So the reason why you want to do this is because, for example, if someone subscribes to your email listing because they're looking for new products, you don't want to show them something like programming or something. So you can send emails based on which label the subscriber has. So for example, if someone subscribed to new products, I don't want to show them like the latest Python tools or whatever. I only want to show them new products that they might be interested in. So you can play around with this and add as many tags as you want, and then you can customize the name here. Remember, the name in the tags option is what they see in the drop down, and then this labels here is what you see. So this looks good, and the only thing I want to change here is I want to make this bold. That looks a bit better to me. And now we want to get rid of some of these links, so let's get rid of the Twitch and the Patreon and Etsy as well. I do have Etsy, but when random people like click on that link and go to Etsy and don't buy anything, it will really mess up the Etsy algorithm, so I don't want to add that link here. And yeah, let's just, I've accidentally added a blank link, but yeah, let's add the link to my YouTube channel. And let's leave this as it is. I'm not sure where you choose the icon here, but yeah, let's just add that. Oh, it just adds the icon by default. So that's good. I don't think we want to add any more links here. YouTube is really all I have right now. I could add GitHub, I guess. Yeah, I think that's all the links I want to add for now. I can probably come back and edit this later on if I want to add something new. But for now, let's just click on publish. So now it's giving us the link to our landing page here. I'm just going to copy this and I'll just save it in a file here. Just gonna make it inside this folder. I don't really want to keep it, it's just that we might need it later on in this tutorial. Okay, so now that we have that link saved, I think we can just so after we set up our landing page, we just want to click this kit icon here to go back to this page where we can continue with the quick start guide thing. And we just want to click on create my template. So this is just to create the email template that you'll use for sending emails. So we just want to click on create your email template here. And they give us a few templates to choose from. I'm not really sure which one I'm going to choose, but I want one without too many images and too many links because I don't really have any images to share right now, and I don't have anything to link to other than my YouTube and maybe GitHub, although there's not really any use to linking someone to that. Okay, so I've decided to go with this story template here. Basically just because most of the other templates are targeted towards either getting someone to click a link or sharing something that you've made, and I don't really know what I'm going to use this email listing for right now. But let's just replace this image up here with the one I have. And here I guess we can put some title. And for this issue part, I think I'm just going to remove that. Okay, so this will be the headline of the article, and then we have an image. I'm pretty sure you can change this per article that you send to people. and then this is how this email is going to be structured. So I'm just going to remove this see you next week thing down here, because I probably won't be sending out these emails weekly. And I'm not sure what this address thingy down here would do, because we're not collecting any addresses from the... Oh, I guess that would be the email address of the person we're sending it to. So we just want to remove some of these links, I think. I'm not sure where the remove button is here, but... Okay, so it turns out to get rid of something, you just click on it and then press the delete button on your keyboard. So I just want to get rid of everything else except for YouTube. And for the YouTube link, I want to add in my own link here. And the way we customize this is basically we can delete anything that's here. Then if we want to add in a new segment, we just click this plus button here and this will add in something new. So I think for right now, this looks good. This top storage thing, I don't really want that. Let's ask ChatGPT for a title for the template of our newsletter. Okay, so I've just said I need to put a default title at the top of my newsletter template, and I've given it the name of my newsletter. I think this is good enough. The rest of this I don't really want to add. And yeah, that looks good. I'm not sure if I want to get rid of this image or not, so let's just leave it in, and then we can, because I think this template just shows like when you want to write a new email. So when we're actually sending out an email, then we can decide if we want to keep the image in or change it or delete it or whatever. The text is fine. It has 2 articles here. And then it has this read story thingy. I don't really need to change the text on here right now, because we're gonna change the link and stuff per email. So like if we want to show one product in the first email, we're gonna have the link going to there, and then in the second email we'll have the link going off to a different product, so that's fine. Yeah, this looks good, so it's saved already. Let's go back and let's go to KIT up here. Also, there's one more template I wanted to add, which is the thank you template. This is just what we're going to send out whenever someone just joins the email listing. Let's replace that with our logo, and we'll just say thank you for signing up. Let's get some text from ChatGPT. Okay, so we just want to copy this. It should be fine. And I am going to look through it just in case. So we have welcome to the Hive. I'm so excited to have you here. You've just joined a community of curious minds where I share the latest insights, tips and trends in business, culture and technology. Keep an eye on your inbox. There's a lot of awesome content coming your way. And if you haven't already, feel free to check out my YouTube channel. I'm gonna get rid of that YouTube channel thing. Okay, and we just need to format this a bit better because there's an extra space here. Now I think we can just get rid of this button. Okay, it's gone. So yeah, this is just the default email that we want to send out, thanking people for signing up. And it's saved already, so we can just head back. And yeah, let's go back to the quick start guide. Okay, so now we're back on the home page, the dashboard where the quick start guide was, but for some reason it seems to have disappeared from here. But yeah, everything is already set up right now. We can just share that link we copied earlier to get people into the email list. And then we can just use these buttons up here, like send out a broadcast to all of the people in the list, or a specific audience, because you remember we have those interest tags set up. And we can create an email template up here, like the two we've already created. And then there's sequences, which are a way to set up multiple emails to go off in a row. So I'm not going to set this up right now, but basically what it is you can set an email to send like today, and then the next sequence of that email to send like in 2 weeks from today. So that's not really that useful to me right now. All of my emails I'm going to be doing manually. I'm just going to be using ChatGPT or maybe a different AI to help me write out those emails. But yeah, everything is already set up right now. We can also go to grow and we can change our creator profile or something like that. But yeah, everything is already set up. We just need to add this link into our YouTube description or wherever you want to get people to click on it to sign up to your email list, and then just send out the broadcasts whenever you want to send an email to the list. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. I hope this helped you. Make sure you subscribe and like the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.